Smart Lock Setup Guide. In the initial state, touch the number pad and press the N keys to enter the menu. Press 1 to add a user, enter a 4-6-digit password twice in a row, then press to confirm. You can continue adding more passwords. To add a fingerprint. Press a clean, complete finger onto the fingerprint sensor 6 times. We recommend adjusting the angle slightly each time. To add a card, tap the card against the NFC area on the lock. 1 tap is enough. Press to return to the main menu. Press 2 to delete a user. Enter the user number you wish to delete. Press to confirm. You can continue deleting more users. The user number is announced when unlocking. OOX unlocked. Press to return to the main menu. Press 3 for system settings, then press 1 for language settings. 1 Chinese, 2 English. Select the desired language by pressing the corresponding number key. Press 2 for volume settings. 1 high volume, 2 medium volume, 3 low volume for mute. Select the desired language by pressing the corresponding number key. Press 3 for unlocking mode. 1 single unlock, 2 combined unlock. Select the desired mode by pressing the corresponding number key. For combined unlock, 2 regular users must be verified. Admin users are not affected. Press 4 for locking delay, then select the desired time based on your preference. Press 5 for factory reset, then press the key to confirm. The lock will be initialized. Press 4 for network settings, then press the key to confirm. The smart lock will enter pairing mode. Open the Tuya app to complete device binding and network connection. If you do not wish to use the network pairing feature, please ignore this step. Press 5 for time settings. For example, year 2026, month 01, day 01, 12 o'clock. Follow the prompts to complete the operation. Press 6 for version inquiry to view the current version of the smart lock. Press the key to exit the menu. Press the O key to repeat the voice prompt. Enable always unlocked mode, passage mode, within 5 seconds after unlocking. Press 9 then to activate. Disable always unlocked mode. Unlock the lock once using any valid user credential, such as fingerprint, password, or card.